got a call from Elk Ridge and Woodland Hills to come help them set some barrier out here because of the fire. There's a big potential of a lot of flooding. So our guys showed up bright and early, setting some barrier, making sure that these houses in the background here all be protected. So we're hauling about 1,000 feet of barrier in this location, 500 feet of barrier up in Woodland Hills, and another 100 feet up of Covered Bridge Canyon. People are just scrambling to do the best that they can, right? They want to help as much as they possibly can. These guys doing this work today are from this area, and they want to give back to this area. They want to protect this area. These are their neighbors. So they showed up, want to come out here and do what they can to protect their neighbors. So it takes a lot of effort to get 1,000 feet of barrier into one location. We have 5 trucks running with 5 trailers on it. We have about 3,000 feet of barrier that we had stored up in Billy's Mountain up in Spanish Fork Canyon that we took off SR6 and replaced with new barrier. So these are used barrier that we didn't have any real use for, that we got to bring over here, put them to good use, and we've told the community we wouldn't charge them 1 penny as long as they keep them. So hopefully they keep them here and protect these residents for a long time.